How to cut out images on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. Open Photos application on your device and select the picture whose cutout you want. Make sure that the picture has a subject that your iPhone recognizes. Tap hold on the object. It will be automatically identified and separated from the background as indicated by the surrounding white border that appears after the selection. After that, you can now drag and drop it to another app such as Notes. You can also copy or share the image to anyone. First, let's see how copy works. Tap hold on the image until you get the copy option. Tap on copy and then go ahead and paste it anywhere further you want. Go back to photos and tap hold on the image again. This time tap on share button and you can see I have varieties of options here that I can share my cutout to. You can tap on any option and share it further. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.